Let's consider the question that we have on the board. We are asked to differentiate this function implicitly. Okay, to differentiate this function with respect to x, that is, we are asked to find the derivative of y with respect to x. Let's start with this. Differentiate x squared. What are you going to have? You're going to have 2x, right? So I'm going to have 2x here plus, now we want to differentiate 6xy. Put 6 here, differentiate xy. You're going to have x dy all over the x plus y. Okay. If you want to differentiate 5y squared, what are you going to have? You're going to have plus 10y multiplied by dy all over the x. This will equals to 0. Do you understand? Okay. For this, I'm going to have 2x plus 6x dy all over the x plus 6y equals to O, plus 10y dy all over the x. This will be equals to 0. Now, the next step is that you have to separate the term that is attached to dy dx. So I'm going to have 6x dy all over the x plus 10y dy all over the x. Okay, this 2x and this plus 6y, take it to the left, to the right hand side of this equation. I'm going to have negative 2x, negative 6y. Okay, having got it to this point, the next step is that you have to factorize dy dx. So I'm going to have dy all over the x multiplied by 6x plus 10y equals to negative 2x, negative 6y. Okay, divide both sides by 6x plus 10y. So I'm going to have dy all over the x is equals to negative 2x, negative 6y all over 6x plus 10y. Okay, now having gotten to this point, you can factorize 2. You understand? You can factorize 2. So I'm going to have dy all over the x is equals to 2 multiplied by, okay, let's go. I'm going to have negative x minus 3y. Okay, and this all over 2 multiplied by 3x plus 5y. Okay, so I'm going to have dy all over the x will be equals to negative x plus 3y all over 3x plus 5y, which is the final answer to that question. Okay, you can see that finding the derivative of an implicit function is quite simple. All you have to do is just follow the steps. Are you getting it? Okay, so the derivative of this function is this. If you didn't understand, let me reiterate. If you differentiate x, so you're going to have 2x. Now, to differentiate 6xy, the product between x and y is a product sign. The sign between x and y is a product. So, and if you have a product of two functions, you use product rule of differential calculus. Okay, if you differentiate this using product rule, you're going to have this, right? And if you differentiate 5y squared, you're going to have 10y. And because it is y that we are differentiating with respect to x, you're going to, anytime you find derivative of y, you're going to multiply that derivative by dy over dx, and then you simplify. Okay, now let's do this. We have, find the derivative of x raised to the power of 4 plus 5x squared y squared plus 4x squared plus 3y squared equals to 10 with respect to x. Okay, how do we differentiate this? Let's start with this. Differentiate.
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.